Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am headed into Dollar Tree to check out all the new fall decor and new items hitting the shelves, and I'm bringing you with me. Let's go shopping. So it has been a little while since I've been able to make it into Dollar Tree, and right up front they've got all kinds of pumpkins and glass, lots of colors to choose from, as well as a couple of little signs. This one in Thankful has the black and white check, and this one in Gather has some orange and burgundy. Down below, they actually have some beautiful succulents, perfect colors for fall. They also have 3 boxed signs: Bless the Family Beside Us, Happy Harvest with the pumpkin on it, and Friends and Family with a little bit of glitter on it. Now over in the seasonal department, there's about half back to school stuff and half fall. I thought these little scarecrows were really cute. There's definitely a lot of great colors to choose from. I just wish the pumpkin was a scarecrow. I love the black and white check. Speaking of scarecrows, they have these 2 little guys this year. Now they are sort of a heavy cardboard. This one in Welcome Fall in the blue and Happy Harvest in the burgundy. They brought back the felt boy and girl scarecrows, and giving Hobby Lobby a run for their money, they did some metal corn. These are little garden stakes. They do come in yellow and orange. You could definitely stick these in the ground or break them off and add them to a wreath. And speaking of Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree did a great job with these little farm fresh signs. They look a lot like the welcome sign at Hobby Lobby. Also new are these jar style signs: Hello Fall with a red truck, and the wheelbarrow with Grateful and Blessed. Another new item this year are these garden stakes. This one in the wagon. They also have it in the red truck. And a fun new twist this year, they did it in a green bicycle. So this store seems to just be getting in their fall items, and they're all over the store. I found this wall of signs, and they have a new football sign, Family and Friends. Lots of glitter on that football. They brought back our owl friends. And something else I don't remember in years past are these welcome signs with little scarecrows in burgundy, dark forest green, the lighter tan burlap, and orange. Another new item, Family, Friends, and Football. This little hanging vertical sign is really cute. Wherever you see white, there is glitter. Up here on this Thankful and Blessed pumpkin, same story. Wherever you see white, that is glitter. They brought back the smaller pumpkin chalkboards and the pumpkin signs. This one in the red truck with green glitter. The gold glitter is the scarecrow, and up above, Happy Harvest with orange glitter. Now, right next to that is another returning sign that was very popular last year, Pumpkin Spice. They also have it in this version, Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed. And down here, a Harvest Blessing sign, as well as a Give Thanks with sunflowers. Now, those areas are raised, but they are not metal. Those are cardboard. Looks like they're putting out some window clings, pumpkin spice and everything nice, and a few more in the smaller versions. This one with the pumpkins is so pretty. They also have it in the fall leaves. And the truck signs are here at my store. So they have 2, a red and a blue, pretty much identical, really cute, and a great copy of the one Hobby Lobby put out in metal. I wanted to give you guys a little better view of this Farm Fresh pumpkin sign. And they brought back these text signs. They're a little different this year. Last year there was some black in them. And making a return appearance, all of their hanging flags and pennants in felt. And just beside them, more felt items. The pumpkin. Now this is interesting this year. Some of them are edged with glitter and some of them are not. And the leaves are back. They come in the burgundy and orange. Burgundy seems to be very popular this year. They also have an owl. That one does have a little glitter to it, and a brown acorn. Another new item this year is their gel stickers. This one with the red truck and the little farm, super cute. They also have it in Harvest and Blessed, and a cute little scarecrow. Another felt item I found is the sunflower. The brown part is brown glitter. And down below, I found some pumpkins. These are very velvety, lots of orange, just a few of the brighter colors, the green and the blue. They have sort of a dark brown and a champagne color, as well as a creamy white. They brought back their burlap and more traditional pumpkins. Those green ones look just like green bell peppers to me. They have a couple more new Scarecrow decorations. These are just little miniature guys in a few different colors. Some of their hats don't stay up. This one in the gingham is super cute in green. They did bring back their garlands of fall leaves. They're super sparse, as in years past. And they also brought back the foam scatter in glitter, as well as these little pails. They come in three versions: the little scarecrow on orange, they have the sunflower on green. These are a really good size, and the owl on red. I found so many beautiful fall florals. I love the hydrangeas they put out at fall. They also brought back the picks with the little gourds on them, and this time they switched it up and did a version in the blues and purples. These new little guys here, lots of miniature sunflowers as well. And over here to the side, I noticed they actually have some faux plastic wheat. Now there's not a whole lot to each stem, but I was impressed to find it, as well as these velvety sunflowers. Another staple item back are these small bales of hay. These do have the dimensions on them, and they are the perfect size if you decide to make my DIY wagon. That's what's in the back of mine. They also brought back the rolls of burlap and these little standing signs in Harvest with the scarecrow, the pumpkin, and the owl. Now these were over in my candle section, nowhere near the fall decor, and so were these pumpkins. I have not seen pumpkins like these in years past. They are beautiful. I love that they're all different sizes, shapes, and they nailed the colors. And now on to a few more new items in the rest of the store. They are doing some fun new cubes, these with the pom-pom fringe and some in fur, and some organizing bins. These are great colors, perfect for back to school or college dorms. A few different sizes, and it seems to be pretty much creams, pinks, teals, and blue. Little bit of gray in this store, and over in the stationery aisle they had these packs of 3. So these are a lot smaller, and you get them in a 3-pack. They're the perfect size for maybe makeup brushes or pencils. On my frame aisle, I found these new shadow box signs: Life is an Adventure, Walking on Sunshine. These have lots of little sequins in them, and in purple, Live, Laugh, and Love. Back over in the candle aisle, I found these little light up houses in 3 versions: the purple, this one in teal, and the bright blue. They put these out last year, but I think they were a little different and probably a little smaller. Along with all their back to school items, they're putting out some calendars and planners for students. Now, I didn't look at the school supplies just yet. I'm not ready to think about that, but if you guys want to come back and take a look, let me know in the comments below what you're interested in seeing, and we'll definitely come back soon. This year they have a lot of student planners, but to be honest, I was totally excited because this item right here, this calendar in the plastic cover is a staple in our house. We have one hanging on our fridge, and it's what keeps us organized, and it expires in July. So this was perfect timing. Over in the health and beauty aisle, there are lots of new items. They brought back all of the Kiss gel nail polishes, and right now they have a ton of colors to choose from here at this store. I'm also seeing some new Bolero items that I personally haven't seen. This version in the Hydra Mist. They have some new products in the line as well. They have facial cleanser and a facial serum. The hand wash and wipes are two of my favorite Bolero items. They also have it in this version that is called Pink Sea Salt and Rose Water. I picked up some of these wipes to try. A few more new Bolero items, the facial mist and facial wash in 3 cents. In the makeup aisle, they put out this new little eye roller, and I also found a setting spray by LA Colors. It's pretty small, but I was still impressed. And they also put out some body wipes by Secret in 2 different scents. The packaging is impressive, but you only get 15 wipes, and that's evident by the hollow box on the bottom. I did not pick these up to try. Let me know if you have. Something I did pick up was this body wash by Dermasil. This goes for over $7 on Amazon. I love Dermasil, it's a great brand. And another item I was surprised by. So these are hairbrushes. They say $5 on them, and if you read closely, they are distributed by Five Below. Something that is returned to my store are the little hand lotions in the narwhal, the unicorn, mermaid, and the little lamb. Also on my makeup aisle, I found these little makeup pouches in purple and pink, as well as some serums in the hyaluronic acid, as well as the night repair. Now we are headed back to the toy aisle. I was really excited. I felt like a little kid again. They have Barbie furniture. So this is the little couch. Now they're just plastic, they're hollow, but they're a pretty good size. They also have a potty. This one is hollow and backless, as you can see. Perfect size for a Barbie. They also have some dining chairs that come in a set of 2, and this bathtub that is adorable, as well as the bed in purple. On my book aisle, I found a lot of new things for kids, a few new sets of books that they have out. They have this little set and quite a few new board books for kids, Davy the Dragon, and then they have this one in the unicorn, some new fold out books, different animals and sea creatures. I thought these were really cute. This is the Animals in the Zoo and Animal Schoolhouse. Some Dear God books. These are something you could buy on Scholastic website. They also have some pretty large Hot Wheels coloring books. They also have this little cookbook for the holidays. It's really thin, like a magazine style. Down here, some really fun I Can Draw books. They had quite a few to choose from. These just give the kids basic shapes to follow to create animals. So they have that version. They have this one that's a little bit younger, still animals. This one with the sea creatures on the younger side, and one with the sea creatures that's just a little more advanced. And out of the corner of my eye, I spotted this little book, perfect for Christmas. Yes, Virginia, there is a Santa Claus. Up near the registers, they have a lot of fun little trinkets, some extendable back scratchers in a few bright colors, some pins with cute little treats on them. These are squishy. Love the little donuts on these. Some more pins in the rainbow iridescent shapes, hearts and unicorns, stars, butterflies, and teddy bears. and some fun keychains, some little unicorns in white, blue, purple, and pink. And they also have some really fun squishy cactus pens. And another item up here at the registers are the rock candy in packs of 2. Looks like this box has been picked through, but they still have a few flavors to choose from. And last but not least, this adorable little box of lunch notes. This is so cute. It has a bunch of adorable images on little blank cards, perfect for back to school and starting your student off with a little encouragement in their lunchbox. And the packaging is pretty cute as well. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dollar Tree to check out all the new items hitting the shelves. What are you on the lookout for? Comment down below and let me know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.